How you doing now, mate?
I'm doing very well now.
Good.
Carmen. Yeah.
Why is that?
Just passed. Got my complimentary little note here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
What else have you got there, Nick?
Oh, I got my pea plates. Hey.
Right, so you're off to the Bel Air Hotel tonight, hey?
Yep, working tonight.
Good.
Gonna tell everyone I passed, so they'll be proud of me.
Well, you can tell them here. It's going to go on Facebook,
Everyone I passed.
Instagram.
Yeah.
Would you like to give the other guys looking at the videos some feedback about where you've come and why you've come here?
Well, I heard that Prevetta Pass was a pretty good place to go. Had some friends that had passed, so I thought, why not? Told me it was nice to go to.
Yeah.
Met you. You were good.
Good.
Taught me some good stuff, and
Yep.
definitely the worst place to go.
The what?
The worthwhile
Oh,
place to go.
right.
Oh, I almost said worst.
Oh, that's great feedback.
Thank
No,
you.
you've done really well.
Cheers,
And
Carmen.
you know what? You're a great driver now, mate, aren't you?
Yeah.
So you
so I
feel better?
passed. I do feel much better. Yeah.
That's it. Good. Now you're on your way, so happy and safe motoring, mate.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure having you here too, mate. It's
Thanks,
all the
Carmen.
best. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
See ya.
Goodbye.